And when I'm talking about figures, what I mean by figure is this can be any triangle, quadrilateral, any polygon. So figures, we're talking about polygons, and of course triangles are included. Polygons, okay? Let's talk about this word corresponding angles. First we better label these. Let's go A, B, C. So we're going to label the vertices of our triangles. And this other congruent triangle, let's go D, E, F, D, E, F. And now let's talk about corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles just means our angles in congruent shapes that match. So example of that here would be, and I'm going to use my color here, like angle A and angle D. So the matching angles in congruent shapes, those we say are corresponding angles. And to write that down, I would say this. I would use my little angle symbol, angle A and angle D are corresponding angles. Angle A and angle D. And there are other sets as well. Some of you are thinking to yourself, what about angle C and angle F? And I would say, yeah, angle C right here and angle F, those are definitely corresponding angles. Angle C and angle F, yes. And then thirdly, we have these right angles here, angle B and angle DE. That was angle E. Okay. We can talk about corresponding angles. We can also talk about corresponding sides. Corresponding sides. Just like angles, they are the sides the matching sides in congruent shape. So I could talk about side AB and side DE. Those are corresponding sides. AB and DE. And then also we could talk about BC and EF. BC and EF. And lastly, we have the longest side here. In this case, we got FD and CD. So I'm going to say, that's CA and FD. So I'm going to go CA and FD. And then the last little thing I'm going to add here is, in the future, it's super helpful to make sure that we're ordering these. Order matters, I should say. Order matters. Or at least moving forward, it's going to matter more and more. So if I start with the vertice A and go to B, I should start with the corresponding angle to angle A, D, and say DE. So A, B, D, E, the order matters.